So I try to make each visit what we're gonna do today, and then what are our options moving forward. And sometimes that is taking the extra time to reassure about why we're talking about surgery, why we need a biopsy, why we're going down this pathway, and what we're gonna do with the information when we get it. Hi, I'm Ken Rodriguez, sinus and skull-based surgery. The majority of my practice is benign sinonasal complaints. So everything from nasal congestion to smell problems to drainage to facial pain and pressure. A subgroup of those people are going to be benign tumors. And then a subgroup of my practice is malignant tumors in the nose. And then another proportion of the practice are skull-based tumors. So tumors that are either in the brain or at the border between the brain and the sinuses. You get to know these people, so you're on for the journey, and you meet them first, and oftentimes they don't know what they have. Whenever they're going through the treatment process, again, a lot of it is encouragement. It's talking to folks, making sure that they're understanding what we're doing, our goals. But then when you get that first MRI or that first PET CT and things are perfect and they're healing in, you were part of that journey. And to see people year after year who have been cured, again, it's the best part of probably what I do.